In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Lovable AI with the new 2.0 update in just 2 to 3 minutes. Whether you're new to Lovable AI or looking to take advantage of the latest features, this guide will help you make the most out of this powerful tool. Let's get started by visiting Lovable AI. Open your browser and type in lovable.dev. This website is the home of Lovable AI, where you'll find all the tools and resources you need to get started. Once you're on the home page, you can sign in or create a new account if you haven't already. Now that you're all set up, the next step is to start with clear instructions. When you interact with Lovable AI, clarity is key. The input you provide guides the AI to deliver the best possible outcome. So take a few moments to think about what you want to achieve and be specific in your instructions. For example, if you're creating content, specify the tone, the audience, and any key points you want to include. Providing specific guidance will help Lovable AI tailor its responses to your needs. Once you've input your instructions, it's time to check if you need to refine them further. Reviewing your instructions is crucial to ensure they align with your goals. Read back through what you've entered and see if there's anything you want to change or clarify. This step is all about making sure you're setting the right expectations for your interaction with the AI. If you're unsure, think about whether the instructions capture everything you want the AI to accomplish. A little tweak here and there can make all the difference in achieving the results you're looking for. After fine-tuning your instructions, it's time to utilize the editor. Lovable AI offers an editor that provides you with more control over the final output. This feature is particularly useful if you need to make adjustments to the AI-generated content, or if you simply want to enhance it with your own touch. Take advantage of this tool to polish and perfect your work. Remember, the AI is here to assist you, but your personal insight will make the final product truly shine. Finally, don't forget to save and publish. Once you're satisfied with your AI-enhanced project, it's important to save your work. Lovable AI makes it easy to store and manage your projects right on the platform. And if you're ready to share your masterpiece with the world, you can publish it directly from Lovable AI, ensuring that your content reaches your intended audience in the best possible way. With everything saved and published, you're done. And it's as simple as that. So there you have it, your quick guide to mastering Lovable AI with the new 2.0 update. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to creating amazing AI assistants.